What causes seasons? This is the earth, a ball of the earth. And for some reason, earth has seasons, and I'm going to show you why. First, I'm going to turn the light on for just a minute.
Then I can turn the light off.
All right, then turn that, and that flashlight we're going to pretend is the sun. It's okay, we'll worry about it later. So here's the earth, right?
Yeah.
But the earth is up and down, right? We have up and down. We call north and south. The earth isn't straight, see? The earth is tilted like this much.
Yeah.
So up really is a little, we'll call it 23-degree angle. Earth sits at a 23.6-degree angle, like this, not like this. If it sat like this, see how it's straight up and down?
Yeah.
We wouldn't have seasons. Thankfully, it sits like this, so we have seasons. So, as the earth, pretend you're the sun, okay? You're hot, right? So as the earth spins around the sun, here, we are right there, right?
Yeah.
Point to where we're at on the earth. Yep, right there. Perfect. So, as it goes around the sun, it stays like this. So, as the earth spins around the sun, don't move. The top part is higher up. But as we go around the other way, the axis is now here. So the sunlight's a direct hit. So if you shine the light on it, it's more of a direct hit on this part, which is why it's somewhere there. You're right. But if we go, remember we're at an axis. So if we spin it here and go around, now it's further away from the sun.
Yeah.
So in the top part, so the sunlight doesn't hit it, right? That's why it's cold.
Yeah.
Because the light from the sun takes further to travel. It's not as much energy. It's hotter when it's closer, right? So if the top part where we are at is closer to the sun like that, it's hotter because it doesn't take as long to get there. It's more of a direct hit. So thankfully, Earth sits like this at a 23-degree axis. What that means is it's not like this, straight up and down.
No.
It's like this. You know why it's like that?
No.
Because a really, really, really long time ago, something hit the earth and made it go whoosh. Or else it'd be like that. We wouldn't have seasons if it was straight up and down. Thankfully, it's not. And we have summer, winter, spring, and autumn. So when we're like this, if you're the sun and you're shining on the earth where we're at, because we're right there, right?
Yeah.
The sunlight isn't a direct hit. So it takes further to get there. It's not as hot. But if we go around here, because remember, the axis doesn't change. It stays. The axis does not rotate. So as we're spinning around the sun, now, same axis, but because the earth rotated, the axis is facing the other way. So the top part now, I dropped my ball, where we are at, is facing, looks like it's facing down because the axis is now on the other side of the sun, but we're still spinning. So now it's closer to the sun, longer days because the sunlight's closer and at a better angle. Therefore, it's somewhere there. So right now, we are about right in the middle. If the earth was straight up and down, it would be about this. It would be about how it is now all the time. So do you understand how we have seasons now? Because the earth is tilted, right? It's like someone hit it. Like it should be like this, right? But then hit it. Hit the top of the earth. Like, yep, hit it. So it goes like that. And it stayed like that. It got stuck like that.
Yeah.
So that's why we have seasons.